Let me be real with you. I used to feel completely out of control with money. I wasn't bad with money, I just didn't have a system. I was reacting to everything: late bills, random expenses, guilt from overspending. Every month felt like financial whack-a-mole. Until one day, I said, enough. So I gave myself a challenge: 30 days. 1 reset, full control. No fancy apps, no extreme rules. Just small, clear steps to rebuild my relationship with money. In this video, I'm walking you through exactly what I did for 30 days that changed everything. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your finances, hit that like button right now. Subscribe for weekly real-world money tips. And comment below. What would a financial reset look like for you? Week 1. Awareness and clarity. Day 1. The bank statement breakdown. I printed out my last month's statements. I highlighted every single transaction. It was painful, but eye-opening. I categorized everything: food, subscriptions, bills, impulse buys, debt. Day 2 to 3. Total up the essentials. I made a quick list of non-negotiables: rent, utilities, groceries, transport. This showed me how much of my income had to go out every month. Day 4. Find the leaks. I circled anything I didn't remember spending on, or didn't feel good about. Streaming subscriptions I forgot. Fast food 4 times in 1 week. A $70 sale I regretted. Day 5. Cancel plus cut. I canceled 2 subscriptions I hadn't used in months. I paused another one. Boom, $60 saved, just like that. Day 6 to 7. Create a wants versus needs filter. Every time I was about to buy something, I paused. Do I want this, or need it? That one question slowed me down and saved me a lot in just the first week. Week 2. Structure and setup. Day 8. Define my money goals. Instead of vague goals like, save more, I wrote, save $300 this month. Pay off $100 of credit card debt. No more overdraft fees. Day 9. Set up a no-stress budget. I didn't build a spreadsheet. I just divided my monthly income into 4 chunks. Essentials, savings, debt payments, lifestyle, fun. That was it, simple and usable. Day 10. Automate saving $10. I set up an automatic transfer to savings every week, even if it was just $10. The goal wasn't the amount, it was the habit. Day 11. Start the 2-day rule. Every non-essential purchase had to wait 2 days. If I still wanted it, I could get it. Most of the time, I didn't. Day 12 to 14. 1. No spend weekend. For 2 days, I challenged myself to spend nothing. I meal prepped, I walked, I read, I cleaned out my closet. It reset my habits and reminded me that life doesn't have to cost money. Week 3. Momentum and mindset. Day 15. Rename my savings account. I changed the name from Savings to Freedom Fund. That single tweet made me more excited to build it. Day 16. Create a spending triggers note. I made a list of times I spend emotionally: stress, boredom, comparison, late night scrolling. Being aware of it helped me pause before I swiped. Day 17. Review mid-month progress. I checked my budget. On track? Celebrate. Off track? Adjust. No guilt, just course correcting. Day 18 to 19. 1-day cash challenge. I took out $30 and told myself I'd only use that for the day. No debit, no credit. It made me think 10x harder about every dollar. Day 20 to 21. Create a 3-account flow. This changed everything. Checking, for bills plus spending. Savings, for goals plus emergency fund. Buffer account, to separate fun money from essentials. Now, I could clearly see my money and stop guessing. Week 4. Confidence and consistency. Day 22. Track my net worth, no matter how small. Assets, debts, simple. It wasn't impressive at first, but tracking gave me ownership. Day 23. Money meeting with myself. I grabbed a coffee, sat down for 30 minutes, and reviewed everything. Spending. Savings progress. Goals for next month. This became my new monthly ritual. Day 24. Celebrate one win. I saved $250 this month. That was huge for me. Don't wait until you're rich to feel proud. Celebrate now. Day 25 to 27. Declutter plus sell something. I sold an old speaker and jacket I hadn't used in months, $75 extra in my pocket. Day 28. Revisit my money beliefs. I wrote down every money belief I was taught growing up. Money doesn't grow on trees. We can't afford that. I replaced them with, money is a tool I can learn to use. Saving is a form of self-respect. Day 29 to 30. Lock it in. I finished with 2 final steps. Automate my system, bills, savings, and debt payments all scheduled. Plan my next 30 days, based on what I learned, not just how I felt. And that was it. A full financial reset. Not perfect, not fancy, but life-changing. Here's what changed in just 30 days. I felt calmer around money. I saved without even noticing it. I stopped avoiding my bank account. I felt in control, not behind, not stressed. The biggest shift wasn't in my income. It was in my mindset. You deserve a reset too. You don't have to overhaul everything to make a real change. You just need small steps, taken consistently, with intention. This 30-day reset helped me rebuild from the inside out. And if you've ever felt lost, behind, or overwhelmed, it can help you too. So here's your challenge. Give yourself 30 days. Build clarity, create peace, take control. If this helped you, smash that like button to help others find it too. Subscribe if you want more content that actually speaks to real life and real money. And drop a comment. Would you try a 30-day financial reset? Or have you already done one?